How to rotate video on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gallery on your phone. Simply click on Edit at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then here you will find Rotate option. If you don't have Rotate option like mine, what you can do is open CapCut. Click on New Project. Then select the video. After that, simply click on the video on your timeline and at the bottom scroll to the left till you find Edit option. Click on it. Then click on Rotate. And as you can see, the video has been rotated. After you're done, press on the arrow at the top right corner of your screen to save it and you're good to go. This is how to rotate video on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.